roughed up by the riot police. Now, the Home Minister of Maldives spoke to Times Now's correspondent Madhav Das, assuring that the former president is safe, and this after there was confusion over his whereabouts. The special envoy of the former president, meanwhile, also telling your channels, saying that the president is missing ever since he was assaulted by the riot police last night.
He is free to move wherever he wants with the protection from Maldives National Defence Force, and his family is safe. He's been given access to wherever he wants to go, so he's free. But we will be, because we have been mandated to give protection, we will give protection, and wherever, when where we need, we will be giving protection. So he's very free to move anywhere he wants. So currently he's at home.
Okay, so one other question that I had is that at least one of your speakers have said that you're committed to democratic values. So in terms of your parliament, in terms of your constitutional mechanisms, as far as your Majlis is concerned, would there ever be, in the coming days, would we see any kind of a trust vote as far as this regime is concerned in terms of the number of MPs or the number of seats that you have? Because from what we understand from the MDP is that they have a majority in the House. So how does that work, and what can we expect to see in coming days, sir?
I think you must understand that we are not here to accommodate any political questions. So I would humbly ask you all to not to ask questions on political issues, because we are here on specific issues regarding for last couple of days. So if I would request you all to focus more on the current situation rather than asking political questions.
Meanwhile, the Maldives High Commissioner to India, Abdul Aziz Yusuf, also speaking exclusively to Times Now, has said that the Maldivian government was happy with India's assurance that they will cooperate and help the Maldivian government tackle the current problem.
With the government of Maldives, we are very happy, and we have full confidence. It's there always, all the time. Just now, there's a media, the Defense Minister of Defense, the Minister of Home Affairs, and the Commissioner of Police, they were on the media just now. And what they were saying is, whatever that had happened, and whatever unlawful